Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can put sticker on our video with CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to show you how we can add sticker to this video. First of all, we just need to go to the sticker section in the CapCut and then we can choose the sticker that we like. There are a lot of categories we can use and you can create sticker with AI guys. If you want, go to the AI generated to create custom sticker with AI. And I'm going to select mood. Okay, make sure you have good internet connection to download this sticker. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one guys and I'm going to add it to the timeline. Okay, and we can place the sticker to any part like this and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, now it's done. Now the sticker has been added to this video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put sticker on our video with CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.